Wagwan, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Patrick and this is the Big Up Jamaica channel. Here we talk about all things Jamaica. We will discuss everything from headline news, entertainment, history, music, sports, culture, and more. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all things Jamaica. Today, we dive into the fascinating history of one of the oldest police forces in the Caribbean, the Jamaican Constabulary Force, better known as the JCF, from its colonial beginnings to its role in modern Jamaica. This is the story of how the JCF came to be. The origins of policing in Jamaica trace back to 1832 when the island was still under British colonial rule. Back then, policing wasn't about protecting communities, it was mainly about keeping order on the plantations and enforcing colonial laws. By 1867, after the Morant Bay Rebellion of 1865 shook the island, the British authorities decided a more structured police organization was needed. That year, the Jamaica Constabulary Force was formally established, replacing the old night watchmen and local militias. During the late 19th and early 20th century, the JCF acted as an arm of colonial power. Their mission was less about community service and more about maintaining control, especially in rural areas where uprisings or resistance could occur. Policing was strict, often harsh, and closely tied to protecting the interests of the colonial government rather than ordinary Jamaicans. By the mid-20th century, Jamaica was changing. The rise of trade unions, labor strikes, and nationalist movements put the JCF in the center of political tension. Many Jamaicans saw the police as enforcers for the colonial authorities, leading to clashes with protesters and workers demanding rights. In 1962, when Jamaica gained independence, the JCF officially became the national police force of the new nation, but challenges were only beginning. The 1970s and 80s were turbulent decades. Jamaica struggled with rising crime, gang violence, and political unrest between the People's National Party (PNP) and Jamaica Labour Party (JLP). The JCF often found itself caught in the middle, accused at times of heavy-handed tactics and even political bias. At the same time, the need for better community relations grew stronger. Specialized units like the Mobile Reserve and Flying Squad emerged during this period to tackle crime and unrest. In the 21st century, the JCF has focused on modernization and reform. Technology, forensic science, and intelligence-led policing have become central. Programs in community policing aim to rebuild trust with citizens, while specialized divisions like narcotics, organized crime, counterterrorism, and cybercrimes deal with new threats. Despite facing challenges such as corruption, violent crime, and resource struggles, the JCF remains one of the largest law enforcement bodies in the Caribbean, with over 12,000 officers serving across the island. From colonial watchmen to a modern national force, the Jamaican Constabulary Force has played a central role in the island's history. Loved by some, criticized by others, the JCF continues to stand as both a symbol of authority and a reflection of Jamaica's struggles with law, order, and justice. This is the story of the JCF, an institution that has shaped, and continues to shape, Jamaica's history. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, big up yourself and walk good. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the playlists section of my channel. There you will find all my videos conveniently arranged by the various genres such as history, true crime, music, culture, tourism, etc. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be instantly notified for new videos on all things Jamaica. See you on the next one.